Hi, friends, and welcome back to another Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt. This is Tree of Life Clue 7 in the Redwood colorway, and I'm doing this one in the small size. The sewing took me about 18 minutes, and yes, there's two blocks, four of one and one of the other, so 7A and 7B. And it was an enjoyable sew. That's really all I have to say about it. I still love this colorway. I think the fabric's really pretty, and I'm really interested to see how it comes together. So that's it, and let's get ready for the inventory. All right, here we are for the Redwood inventory. Again, this is the small size, so regardless of what colorway you have, you'll have the same set of fabrics for each letter, and then it'll just look differently. So let's go through what we've got. There's going to be two different styles of blocks in this clue. A couple of flying geese, so that'll be great. So let's go through it. So we are going to have 8 fabric A in our small triangle and 12 fabric B in our small triangle. In our medium triangles, we are going to have 4 fabric D and 4 fabric F. In our large square, you're going to have 1 fabric E, and then in our large rectangle, you're going to have 4 fabric A. Let's get to sewing. All right, so here we are for the small Tree of Life clue. So it looks like there are 2 blocks, and the first section 7A, is 3 steps, and section 7B is 2 steps. So fingers crossed, this goes pretty quickly. We're making some flying geese. Just take your time. Yeah. And oh, look, it's a new sewing machine. Looks similar. This is the only original sticker on my machine. But the update to the saga with the sewing machine is that she was broken beyond either repair, or it was just too costly to repair her. So this is a brand new Juki. We put some stickers on last week for stream. So there are a few stickers that I put on here already. Our paw being one of them. But anyways, new Juki. So let's get started. All right, and we're done with clue 7. Um, it's really pretty. I actually really like 7B. It's very striking with the two fabric choices with fabric E and fabric B. I don't think we see a lot of fabric E in this one, but I like that whole like looks like blurred coffee rings. Um, Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time for the next video. If you would, please like and subscribe. It really does help the channel out, helps with visibility. Leave me any comments that you have, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.